All right, today we're going to set up your Breeze pillow cooler. First things first, I've got the cooling unit. I've already got one set up here, and I've got it plugged into a power source. Next thing I want to show you is the hose. We've got two fittings. One is the oval fitting, and you'll see this ring on here. We'll show you that later, but that's your oval, and this is your output that goes onto the output of the fan. Right now we're just going to, first things first, put the output on the fan. We'll leave the hose sit right there. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to grab the pillow cooler, and we're going to have the zipper open like this. We're going to grab your pillow, and as far as pillows go, any pillow can go in there as long as it's a standard pillow, whether it's firm or softer, but it needs to be a standard pillow. So next thing we're going to do is just get this pillow in here, and sometimes it takes a little bit to get it in, but they all fit just fine. Okay, once we've got the pillow in, we're just going to zipper it up. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the input. You have the Velcro, you're going to open the Velcro. You're going to go back down to the hose. And this is where that ridge comes into place. What we're going to do is we just put this around the fitting. It's kind of snug, so it's meant to be that way, but it'll fit just fine on there also. And the ridge is, you can kind of see it, but you want your Velcro on the other side of the ridge. Next thing you do is just make sure you've got a good tight Velcro seal, so when you pull it, it doesn't come off. So now this is meant to go on either side of the bed. If you want to, you just flip it around the same way. There's holes on both sides. Okay. So back down to the cooling unit. We got 3 speeds. We've got low, medium, and high. I'm just going to turn it to the high setting. The high setting is about the equivalent of a box fan on high. You can hear that. You can, obviously you put your pillowcase on. You can sleep with this off just like it is, depending on the cooling you want. I'm going to turn it down to the medium setting, and also the low. And you still feel a nice airflow here. Basically, that's all there is to it. That is how you set up your Breeze pillow cooler.